Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can share your posts directly to the WhatsApp from the Facebook. So you can go here and after that scroll down. So if you want to share this post directly on WhatsApp, how you can do that? Here you can see you will get four options. So you can use this option to share this post on WhatsApp. Let me show you how it works. Just I can go on web.whatsapp.com. So make sure that you are logged in into your WhatsApp. So you can scan and log in QR code. So guys, here you can see WhatsApp is open on my laptop. Now I can go back and after that let me go in our Facebook page. So again let me click here. Now I want to share this post on the WhatsApp. Now simply I can click here send button and then click here continue to chat. Then use WhatsApp web. So now I can select, just I want to select this one, then again click it share button. So guys, here you can see it's done. So in this way you can send your Facebook posts through the WhatsApp.